Hello everyone. Today I will explain about the Revit link with or CAD drawings. Okay. All right. So now I open my CAD file, DW file. So I have one layout. So I will explain to you how I can link this one to my Revit. So this one is the unit meters. Okay. I can open my Revit file. I can go to find out the insert. In the insert, you can find out the link CAD. Okay, so you have options CAD, import CAD, and link CAD. So mostly we are focusing on link CAD because when you work on beam, so mostly we are using this one. Okay, right. So the link CAD, so I can open my location of DWG file and I can open that one, but you should be mentioned about the units. Okay, so otherwise it's some issues. So before that, you can just go for UN and units. So you can go for the length. So you have to confirm that one, the meters, the units, and the same time you can just go for a little bit two decimal because no need to keep on rounding. So you can just go for two decimal places. Right. So now I can go back to my link CAD and I can use my this one. I select my location and after that I have to mention the import units and center to center because the base point. So you have any coordinates, you know the coordinates, you can go for the shared coordinate points or origin points. So I just leave these two like this and I can go for open. Right. Now you can find out this is a link to Revit window. So now I link the DWG file to RVT file, right? So Revit file, right? So here you can find out. So this one is okay. Now I have to check about this measurement. So I can go to annotate, take the annotation. See, it's showing 6.20 because I added from two decimals. Okay, so otherwise it's okay. So I can go to find out these measurements. So it's showing 2.0 meter, the wall thickness. Okay, so I can take it from here. This one also showing. And after that, I can take it from here. So this one also shown here. So it's it's showing our uh, annotation here, right? So even I can take it from here to here. So this almost 9.6.94. Okay, as per our measurement, right? So now, see for example, I can go for the unit. So here I can go to find out my zero is month. So now you can find out, see, it's showing the round figure. So, but here you can be able to find out the wall thickness. So I can go back to my UN unit to find out this one like two decimal to place it. Okay, right. Now it's showing like this way. Now I can go to find out my wall. So I have to go the wall. So base constant and top constant, don't forget. At the same time, you can find out your wall, go to edit, go to duplicate. In the duplicate, I can create the wall external and here I can put it 0 0.2. Okay. Right. Now I can place it the wall 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here 5. Right. Now I can go to find out my align. So this one is okay. I can go to find out this one to here and I can go to find out to here. and I can find out the align. And here also you can find out the alignment. Right? Can find out the alignment. Right. So this is done now. Now I can go to find out this door. So I can go to find out architectural. The door. I go to duplicate. I can make it B1, door one, and I can make it the width one. Okay, but here I have to make it the single door because I need a single door. Duplicate D2, and I can go to find out the width around 1 meter. Okay, so I can place it somewhere here. So here also one more wall you can find out. Go to pick line and keep it. So you can go to find out AL, can align, and don't forget you can keep it like this one. Again, I can go to find out my door. So I can fix it the door same. And you can find out this correct point here. So this practice purpose I created like this way. Now I can go back to my 3D view. So here you can find out. So this is my 3D view I created. So now you can understand how you can take it from CAD file to Revit. So how you can able to link that one, and after that how you can able to create the model. Okay. So this is a way I did it. So again I can go back to my level 0. In the level 0 you can find out. So this is the way you can find these locations and the partitions and everything. So you can find out here. So you can add more doors here also, right? So don't forget, first of all, you can go to link. The link you can find out that link CAD. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.